Namaste. I am Javian Lakshmi Jangil, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Law and Governance, Department of Management and Commerce. My subject is Business Organization. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of MNCs and TNCs, multinational companies and transactional companies. So, international corporations have several categories depending on the business structure, investment, products, and services offers. So, transnational companies and multinational companies are two of these categories. Both MNC and TNC are enterprises that manage productions or deliver services in more than one country. They are categorized as business entities that have their management headquarters in one country known as the home country and operate in several other countries. If we talk about India, then you can say it's like pan India for a company. But it is talking about MNC and TNC, so it is at national level. So industries like manufacturing, oil mining, agriculturing, consulting, accounting, constructions, legal advertising, examples so many run through TNCs and MNCs. The corporations maintain various bases all over the world. Many of them are owned by a mixture of domestic and foreign stockholders. Most TNCs and MNCs are massive with budgets that outweigh smaller nations' GDPs. Thus, TNCs and MNCs are alike are highly influential to globalization, economic, and environmental lobbying in most countries. Because of their influences, countries and regional political districts at times tended incentives to MNCs and TNCs. So basically, lot of people often interchange MNCs and TNCs or misconstruct them to be one and the same to pertain to a company that owns production facility in two. So let me clear this. Multinational and transnational companies are type of international corporations. Both maintain management headquarters in one country known as home country and operate in several other countries known as host countries. Most TNCs and MNCs are massive in terms of budget and highly influential to globalization. They are also considered as the main drivers of a local economy, government policies, environmentals, and political lobbying. And MNC have investment in other countries but do not have coordinated product offering in each country. So it is more focused on adapting their products and services to each individual local market. And other is in TNC have investment in foreign operations, have central corporate facility, but give decision making, research and development and marketing powers to each individual foreign market. So session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.